Si Andy, lumabas yung pagiging competitive niya. Siyempre,
Apologies. I don't know if it shows in the video, but
siyempre panalo kami.
Work is almost over, summer's getting closer.
Hi guys! I'm going to try something new today. Actually, tonight kasi gabi na.
I was just a kid when I met you, honey. Working on my daydreams. Down bed wishing you'd come and save me.
We are so sorry kasi gabi na nag-start ang vlog natin today. Kasi alam nyo, we are not feeling good today. Si Andy suffered for sakit ng tiyan, tapos nagsusuka siya. May nakain yata siya kanina or kagabi. Pagkagising niya medyo dizzy daw siya, tapos yun na nga, the whole day nasa bed lang siya. And ako naman, tinapos ko yung 48-hour water fast ko. So, 1:30 PM natapos yun. Yung huli ko pang kain is yung sa Japan nga, yung sinasabi ko sa inyo sa kabilang vlog. So, natapos ko siya kanina, finally. And alam nyo, I feel so much better. Pero yung the last, kasi alam kong kakain na ako parang, ang tagal-tagal nung time kakaintay ko sa pagkain. So, my first meal kanina is banana smoothie with protein na 0 calories and 0 sugar. Ayun daw kasi yung magandang i-reintroduce sa tiyan natin kapag tayo ay kakain na after ng water fast. So, optional naman yan kung ano yung gusto nyo kasi marami doon like banana yung option, meron ding egg, merong avocado, yung mga healthy fats pwede. So, ako naman, pinili ko yung banana smoothie nga kasi dun sanay yung tiyan ko. And feeling ko, yun yung mas kayang i-tolerate ng tiyan ko sa pag-reintroduce ng food. So, ngayon, nabanggit ko nga kanina, gabi na, and papunta kami ngayon doon sa court. Kami ni Andy ay magta-try pickleball.
No, wait. Wala
Ayan.
akong ilaw.
Wala siyang ilaw.
Ayan.
Magpipickleball kami, kasama namin yung kapatid ko. Magkikita na kami dun sa court kung saan siya nagpa-reserve. Tatry namin mag-cardio tonight kasi hindi nga kami nakapag-workout dahil nga dun sa sinabi ko sa inyo kanina. And sana magustuhan namin tong sport na to. Sobrang in na in siya ngayon. Medyo late kami ni Andy sa pag-try kasi minsan hindi namin alam kung gusto ba namin or sige, try natin. So
And this
why
is
not?
it's not your first time to try racket sport because you used to play badminton, diba?
Yeah, nagba-badminton ako before. So, tingnan natin kung magustuhan natin, edi go.
Yeah, and for me, I feel like it's going to be something reasonably fast to pick up because I haven't really mentioned much in the vlogs, but I used to play tennis professionally, and a lot of my friends who played professionally with me are now playing pickleball, and they said it's something very easy to pick up. Since we're older now, we can cover less court, and it's a little bit easier on the joints. So yeah, I'm excited to try out a new racket sport because I've never really tried anything other than tennis. I mean, squash, but very, very little, and badminton, very little.
Tsaka
Volleyball maybe, but it's not really a racket sport, but similar.
Kapatid ko pumayat diba?
Well,
Kaka-pickleball.
the thing is, because when you try something new, your body gets shocked, and that's when you tend to lose more weight. It's like if you tried boxing or but at least with this, it's also recreational. It's a little bit social, so it should be.
Pwede tayong mag-enjoy habang
should be
ginagawa to. So yun, on the way to the court, and we'll let you know kasi syempre first time. Papakita namin sa inyo yung ano yung magiging experience natin mamaya. So, let's go guys!
So we are on the way to the pickleball court, guys, and it's actually quite a bit of a walk. You have to walk in through 2 blue doors, and we're already on our second turn. Or approaching our second turn. Still can't hear anything. Oh, I can hear a little bit of music now, so I think we must be approaching. I can hear people screaming.
Open my eyes, I slept through the day. Slept through the day, feeling uneasy, I push it away. Push it away. Last night was fun, don't feel like today. Feel like today, let's do it again, let's go on a date. Cause tonight I'm gonna take you out and live the dream that we've been talking about. So we can dine and spend up all on those. I wanna celebrate and have some fun tonight. I wanna show you all the lavish things in life. Some amazing souls for all the good times that we'll have. It'll be like the movies, be like the movies. Rich people dreaming. Rich people dreaming. Rich people dreaming. Might be the gin that's gone to my head. Gone to my head. Feeling so busy, don't want this to end. Want this to end. Live in the moment, I just wanna dance. Just wanna dance. Pull up my car, let's rock it again. Cause tonight I'm gonna take you out and live the dream that we've been talking about. So we can dine and spend up all our moves. I wanna celebrate and have some fun tonight. I wanna show you all the lavish things in life. So amazing touch for all the good times that we'll have. It'll be like the movies, be like the movies. Rich people dreaming. Rich people dreaming. Rich people dreaming. Rich people dreaming.
Pawisan ng mga beshi. Pawis ka, babe, na?
Super.
Natuyo na nga. Actually, guys, nag-enjoy kami sa pickleball. Maganda siyang gawin. Si Andy, lumabas yung pagiging competitive niya. Siyempre,
Apologies. I don't know if it shows in the video, but
siyempre, panalo kami. Dahil, ano lang siya eh, almost kaparehas lang siya ng tennis. Kaya, kuwang-kuwa ni Andy yung mga moves. So, dun sa last game natin,
yeah,
dire-diretso.
we went all out. We won four games straight.
Oo, kaya,
But probably the only difficult part was learning the
scores.
the score and the rules a little bit, because me coming from tennis,
Diba?
some things are automatic to me, like when the ball's in the air, run for it. I didn't know, I think it's like the third or second bounce you
First and second bounce.
Yeah, you have to let it
Kailangan
bounce.
meron, oo. And then the third one, okay na.
But after we got the hang of it, we were both pretty good.
Ang saya kasi pawis na pawis after, no?
We were actually pretty good star performer.
Hindi naman, babe. Grabe naman. Yes, nag-enjoy ako. Parang ulitin namin ulit tomorrow. Kasi bukas hindi kami makaka-gym. So might as well mag-cardio na lang kami ng 1 oras, di ba?
Yeah, we have a
For
bit
the
of a
pawis.
tight schedule tomorrow. And hopefully we're both feeling better tomorrow.
Yeah. At least it's not bad. Nakaya natin mag-pickleball.
Yeah.
Di ba? To
Kanina,
think,
hindi.
kanina.
Basically,
Mukha tayong pares tayong nakahiga.
we're in bed till like almost 7.
Grabe nung lunchtime, di ba? Nakita ko yung itsura natin dalawa. Ano ba to?
Grabe. Thought nothing was gonna happen today at all.
So at least nakapag-pickleball at may nailabas tayong vlog for today kasi akala talaga namin wala kaming mailalabas dahil parehas lang kami nakahiga. And also, dumaan din yung uncle mo kanina and your mom
Yeah.
to visit us kasi tomorrow flight back na yung uncle niya.
And we have work tomorrow, so
So hindi natin sila
not
makikita.
possible.
Kaya dumaan sila kanina so we didn't vlog it na kasi we look like ugly.
Just got out of bed and our shower wasn't working.
Oh my God.
So-
Mahina yung tubig namin lately, mga zoobs.
We had to get it fixed.
So, ayun. Nandito kami sa traffic ng Katipunan. Bakit traffic?
I think it's because of the trucks.
Really?
Ang dami.
Gising pa daw kasi yung mga bata. Hindi matutulog nang wala kami. Kaya sana makalabas na kami dito sa traffic.
Sana we could turn into the school and then go straight. I don't think you can.
Hindi pwede kasi sarado na. Anyway, we are on the way home mga Zoobs.